Make a great choice today with the 2015 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.